Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pooja's Kitchen Time. Today I am going to show a very quick fried rice recipe which is mild and tasty. Kids will love this. Hardly it takes 10 to 15 minutes to prepare. And this is a very good lunchbox recipe. Now let's see the ingredients. Cooked rice 1 bowl, capsicum, broccoli, carrot, half cup each, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 2 pots of finely chopped garlic, salt and oil as required. In a pan, add around 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I am using olive oil. To this, add finely chopped garlic. Don't roast them more. Then add sliced carrots, some broccoli and capsicum. Saute everything well. Friends, for this recipe, you can add vegetables as per your likings. Then to this, sprinkle some salt, pepper powder, vinegar, soy sauce, and give it a mix. Now add rice and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes in a high flame. Now the fried rice is ready. Give it a try of this quick recipe. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment in the comment box below. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching. See you soon.